Okay, so my test, which was supposed to run 4 hours, and it said I could only lose 2 psi. Well, it's been 24 hours, and I've lost 2 psi on the gas, so I'm confident that the gas line is good. Today we got the blue board in. So looking at the directions for this and looking online, they wanted me to leave a gap in here, 1/8 to 1/4 inch, so that my plastic shower enclosure will go up against this. They don't want it right on this because it could soak up some water. So there was a tip online. What I'm going to do is I'm going to caulk all underneath this, and we'll be good. I can do some basic mudding here. This is all going to be covered. I just want to make sure that there's no dimples and fill this in because that enclosure is pretty thin. But yeah, I'll finish that, nailing that panel up tomorrow. My gun, the battery went out. So anyway, here's what we're going to be putting in the shower enclosure. It's a cheap one, but if you do it right, measure everything, it's just as good as the more expensive one. So anyway, that's what we're got done for the day.